Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if your Windows 10 and 11 is stuck on airplane mode, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you need to do is you need to make sure that this airplane mode is not turned on by default. If it is on like this, you need to click again and now try to connect with your internet and see if that is working for you or not. So this is the first step, and I hope this is not the resolution for you. So let's open the services. Since this issue is related to something else, Windows run it as admin, and now click anywhere on it and press R on your keyboard and look for radio management service and make sure it is running. If it is not running like this, I'm just stopping it to show you. I'm not able to even stop it, but you need to make sure that you can restart the service if it is off like this. Now let's try to. So I'm not able to even start the service, and I hope you are also getting this issue to not restart it. So if it is the case, so we have to move on to now next step. Next step is to open the device manager simply and open the device manager and look for your network adapter. Click on that option and look for the network adapter properties. This is the Wi-Fi driver I have. You need to right click on it and not this is the not the Wi-Fi driver. Type Windows plus R, type for ncpa.cpl, and you can see this is the Wi-Fi. Okay, so Wi-Fi name is Intel Wi-Fi 6E. I need to look for Intel Wi-Fi 6A EA. Right click, go to its properties and go to the power option if you have that option. I don't have that option since I'm using the laptop, but in this video let me show you if this option, power management, and if it is tick, allow computer to turn to save, the this option is on like this, you need to turn it off and then click on OK. Now see if that option is, this option should be like this, the Wi-Fi option. If that is already not installed on your Windows and this option is not available for you, we can move on to the next step. Sometime what happens that you install the latest driver and that causes the issue. You can roll back your driver. Choose any option and then click on roll back driver, and you can also even update your driver. This option will not work since your internet is not connected to the internet. Choose this option, choose the latest one, then click on next and reinstall the driver. So this is the step number 3. If that is helpful for you, and if that is also not working for you, what we can do is you can disable this driver once and then re-enable it and see if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, so what happens that you follow all the steps, but what happens, you have the physical keyboard airplane mode turn off or on your computer or laptop. So just to show you, you can see here this is the reference for you. If this is the key and you have pressed it accidentally or someone has pressed it accidentally, so your airplane, your window is going to stuck here whichever step you perform. You need to make sure that you can hit this button again, look for the keyboard on your back side or on your keyboard on your right side on the computer, not in the computer but in the laptop, you should able to get this option and turn it on and turn it off then, and you should able to fix your issue. If this solution is also not working for you, so now let's move on to the step number 5, and that is registry editor changes. Run it as admin. Now once you run it as admin, I have just gone through the same steps that is the reason it is showing here still. Now you should able to get this kind of windows. What you need to do is make a double click on the HK local machine, and this is the path. I haven't even note that system current control set and then control, system current control set, then you need to click on control and now look for class, click on that option, and once you double click on this option you need to press window and F key on your keyboard to find this option, radio enable, and you need to type here radio enable like so. Click on find, make sure all the boxes are tick, and now it is under this. You need to make a double click on it and make sure its value is 1. If it is 0 like this, so this is not going to work. You need to make sure its value is 1 here, and once its value is 1, close this and you have to restart your Windows and restart and update your Windows, and your issue will be fixed after applying these methods. I hope guys your issue is fixed now. If your issue is still not resolved, then I suggest you to reset your PC or reinstall the fresh window. I hope this solution helped you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.